Hello, this is your pellet stove master here with a Breckwell Big E pellet stove. The pellet stove fires up okay, lights up okay, it was cleaned, everything is clean, but it has a very common error with Breckwell stoves that after it fires up, the auger stops turning, the stove shuts down, and as you can see, the number 3 light is blinking on and off, which the number 3 light is a proof of fire, which means it's not sensing that the stove actually did light, even though the igniter works and there was a fire. And that a lot of times is due to the proof of fire sensor on the opposite side of the stove, right under the exhaust blower. It has 2 wires attached to it, and it's a small mini ceramic disc that is not sensing the heat, and therefore it shuts down the stove for safety, which is the way it normally works. However, if the switch itself is defective, then it will shut the stove down and the stove will not continue to run. So a lot of times a simple, easy fix is just to replace that proof of fire snap disc, and that'll fix the problem. Thank you. This is your pellet stove master. Have a good day.